Viracta Therapeutics is a precision oncology company. We're focused in virus-associated cancers. We have a novel drug candidate that is a combo therapy, all oral. We call it Nana-Val, and we are in multiple clinical trials right now. I would call us a virtual biotech company. When I started here at Viracta about a year ago, we were on QuickBooks desktop, which had its own challenges. We would try to log in from home over VPN, and it was painfully slow. As you know, QuickBooks is very good for small companies, but we had definitely outgrown that system and needed something that was a little more robust and flexible.
I think NetSuite was always a clear solution for us. We needed something that would have more automation, that would allow us more visibility, that would provide better internal controls for us as a growing company.
With NetSuite being a cloud-based system, the fact that we can all be in the system at the same time without it causing hiccups has been extremely helpful. A lot of the times someone would be booking an entry and I would be booking an entry and it would cause, mismatches, or I would be printing reports while they were doing that, and then I would have bad data. As far as financial reporting, what I really like is even their out-of-the-box financial statements are comprehensive. You're able to drill into the detail behind the entries. The Sikich team built a custom SEC balance sheet and income statements for us. And also just knowing that as I get more and more comfortable that I myself can build my own custom reports, especially as the needs of the business change, as we scale. There's just so much ability to grow with the system as our company grows, which is awesome.
Our reporting has been really elevated. We're able to report on the project level, which for us, we can report per clinical trial, which is so important to the executive management team, to us, to investors.
We gained a ton of efficiency with procure to pay. Now, invoice approvals go out automatically via email, so they're not having to be manually followed up with by our senior accountant. They're not having to be manually tracked. We can just go into NetSuite and see which bills are pending approval and follow up from there.
Well, I think when we went on this journey, we wanted to find an implementation partner that had done implementations for a lot of life science and biotech companies and had seen the problems and the pain points and the issues that we face, because I think a lot of the pain points we face here are very similar to small and mid-cap biotech companies. And it was true when we went through the implementation and we talked about a pain point. Our Sikich consultant, right away, before even the question was out of my mouth, he had various ways to solve the problem, and he also had a best practice.
The consultants that were on our team clearly all had deep experience with life sciences, and that was one of the things that made Sikich stand apart from the other companies that we were looking at for the implementation, because we wanted to know who was going to be doing our project, and it was clear that they had done it before.
Well, I think with NetSuite in particular, the right implementation partner is the most critical decision you can make, because it is so flexible, because there are so many things you can do with it. You need somebody who really knows their way around that system so that they can implement it correctly. It's a blank sheet of paper when you get that license, so you need somebody to build it out for you.